Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. Okay my loves, I have another project for you guys. I'm really excited to show you how I made these adorable but simple, very simple embellishments. You can use these embellishments however you want. You can use them to display them in your craft room. Maybe you want to add them somewhere in your house as decorations or at your office. There's a lot of ways that you can actually use these embellishments. You can also use them as banners if you want. But what I decided to do is I'm going to use these embellishments and I'm going to actually add them in front of these fun these are those little table toppers that you put on the tables that actually holds balloons. I'm going to actually add these in the office, and I wanted to just do something in the front. So I made these gigantic cards, and they're going to actually go on top of a shelf, and I think they're going to look really, really pretty. So let me show you what we have here, because this video is going to probably be one of the shortest videos from all the tutorials that we are going to do, because it's very simple, very, very simple. So what I have here is I have these that I already completed. What I did was I used I don't know where I got these felt stickers. I want to say Target, but I'm not sure. I already had these felt stickers in my stash, and they're basically just Valentine's words like X and O's, love, kiss, hugs. And so what I did was I used the X and O's on some of these hearts. As you can see here, these are the X's, the O, this is the X right here. And then I have the O's right here. And with the O's, the only thing that I did was I added a cute little, like, you know, the cute little flower in the center. What I also did for these, I added a tiny little clothespin in the back, so I can actually, you know, add this, attach it to the table toppers. Okay, so let me show you how I did this, because it's literally super duper easy. So what I used for this project is I used the heart doilies like the Dollar Tree sells. You can, everything that I have here you can probably get at the Dollar Tree except for maybe the stickers. I used the doilies from the Dollar Tree, the pink ones, and I'm using the hearts from the Dollar Tree. These are also from the Dollar Tree, and they look like this. Okay, these are the ones with the cute little hearts in the edges. And for the foam heart, they look like this. These are foam hearts. Everything from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so how did I put this together? Take your doily and take your heart that you want to add in front of your doily. And what we're going to do is we're going to add some hot glue, very little hot glue on the back of the felt heart. Very little, not too much hot glue. And we're going to add this right in the center of the doily. And what that's going to create is going to create a nice little border on the outside of the heart. You see that? Let's do the pink one. Now, you can obviously change your doilies to red, white, pink, if you want. I'm only using pink doilies for this project, but you can use whatever you want. You don't have to necessarily just use pink. You can use the red doilies. You can use the white doilies. Okay, so this is the pink one. I'm going to add it right in the center of my heart doily. And that's basically what you're going to get. That's basically all you need to do. Now we're going to take our foam heart, and I'm going to use a red one, here, red, and a pink one. I like to kind of, you know, I don't like to put red with red. To me, I don't know, I like the different look to this. I don't like, Because if I put the pink with the pink, I mean, yes, it does look pretty, but I think that changing them around makes it look much more and it pops out more to me. But you can do it however you want to do it, okay? So what we're going to do is we have here the foam heart. We're going to actually do the same thing. We're going to add some hot glue to the foam on the back. And we're going to add it right in the center of the heart. Just like that. Just like so. Okay, basically that's all you need to do. And now the only last step is you can add your stickers to the center of your heart. Now I already had stickers added to these that I have here. I needed 4 more to complete, which are these 4 that I have here. Let me show you what I'm going to do with these 4 hearts. Now I do not have enough stickers, so I'm going to basically spell the word love, and I'm going to add each letter to each individual heart. So this way, when I add this on a shelf, I'll just basically line them up to spell out the word love. So I thought that was an excellent idea. So let's do that. And then the last step is, see that? So now when you add this to the shelf, you have the word love. I love it. It's just beautiful. And the last thing that I did with these gigantic hearts is I added these little tiny clothespins on the back because I want to hook these up to the table toppers, okay? Or the table balloon holders. I don't know, whatever you want to call those. So I basically just added a little bit of hot glue to one end of the clothespin, and I basically glued it sideways, okay? So this way I can come in and clip it on this way. It makes it easier for me that way. And that's basically all I did, guys. I didn't do too fancy. I didn't go too fancy with this because, to be honest with you, I think it's going to look the way it looks. It's going to look really pretty the way it is right now. I don't think I needed to go too much. I didn't want to add too much decorations to these hearts because they're very glittery and they're very sparkly. And I think they look perfect the way they are. I actually like them like this. Just making sure that I'm putting it the right way. Okay, and I have one more to go, and then we're basically done. And that is how I created these really fun gigantic hearts. And I really didn't do much. I just really just layered them down, one on top of each other. As long as your hearts are not the same size, they're going to look beautiful and they're going to line up gorgeous. See? And there you have it. And that's basically all I did. Beautiful, right? Now for this one, I'm just going to add one of these little adorable pearl flowers right in the center of the O. And that's basically all I did. That is all I did for these hearts. They're gigantic, they're huge, but they really make a huge statement. They're simple, but they're still beautiful. They're still glittery. And I think they turned out lovely. I love them. So that is how I am going to use these adorable hearts. I'm going to take pictures of it once it's actually displayed on top of the shelf, so you guys can take a look and see. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys comment. I love you all. I hope you all are having an awesome time watching my Valentine's Day series, and I hope that you are all learning and getting inspired to do awesome projects. I will see you guys soon, honey bunnies. Have a fantastic weekend, and please be safe out there. Love you all. Bye.